Hey guys, welcome back to Sailing Floating Freedom. In our last video, we had left Chatterbox Falls and were on our way to Pender Harbour. Chatterbox Falls to Pender Harbour will be about 44 nautical miles and take about 9 hours. Us and our buddy boat Sailor's Dancer were able to call ahead and get a slip at the Pender Harbour Marina. We were able to do some laundry, hot showers for everyone, and top up water. The marina was beautiful. It wasn't cheap, but offered hot showers, laundry, and even an outdoor pool. Do be warned though, in Pender Harbour there's only one restaurant or pub, the Grasshopper. We arrived pretty late in the day and we were all eager for a hot meal, but it was a fast boat ride and a hectic run up the hill to make it in time. The next morning, Peggy jumped on board Sailor's Dancer and they headed off to the grocery store.
Well, we're at Pender Harbour this morning. It's beautiful, very calm winds, and we've decided that we're going to head off to Jedediah Island to go explore around there. Never been. So it's a nice warm day. The previous part of the trip has been pretty cold and frigid, so we're really enjoying this. So we're just about to kick off here, throw the lines, and head off to Jedediah and explore, see what that's all about. All right, come on. Did you guys know there's Wi-Fi at Jedediah?
Really? Oh yeah, I'm connected.
Guess who we ran into again?
We just met the captain of Porpoise, took us for a boat tour. We saw him up at Princess Louisa. This was the boat on YouTube that inspired us to make the trip to Princess Louisa before we even had a boat. Pretty cool dude. Even signed a book for us. So reprovisioned in Pender Harbour and we're back to the marina and headed to Jedediah.
Well, the gang's back after provisioning, so we should have lots of groceries and beer and off to Jedediah.
The trip over to Jedediah would be about 14.5 nautical miles and take about 3 hours.
Good morning, Keeper.
Did you go for a walk?
Jedediah Island is about 600 acres in size and famous for its feral sheep.
Sheep or a duck? Okay, that scared him off.
Yeah, way to go, man. Oh, so cute.
Since becoming a BC Marine Park in the mid-90s, Jedediah is free for everyone to access. There's a walking trail that connects Deep Bay to the old homestead. How close did you get?
Pretty close, like, I don't know, 12 feet?
Coming across the remains we can only assume is a sheep, it made me think of an old news headline.
We begin tonight with a mystery unfolding on a BC beach. A human foot has once again been discovered.
Meanwhile, back on the boat, Keith, the Salish dancer, was kind enough to gift us a crab.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Okay, well, attempting to get the cell phone up the mast to get reception to check the weather reports for tomorrow, I neglected to put enough weight in the bag on the main sheet halyard, and now the phone won't come down. So we have taped 2 boat hooks end to end to try to snag it. I think we're going to be short. Yeah. Either need another boat hook or have to stand on the boom and try to do this Cirque du Soleil style. Okay, attempt 3 with 3 boat hooks and a kayak paddle. Well, after the phone debacle, we thought we'd unwind with a nice sunset cruise. The next morning, we finally did get a weather forecast and decided to get ahead of some wind and leave a day early.
So leaving a day early. Well, actually, we're leaving on the day we were supposed to leave on. But winds are supposed to pick up in the strait tomorrow, up to 25 knots. So we're not entirely comfortable with that. So we'd rather cross on a less windy day.
Wind forecast is never that reliable in the Strait of Georgia. It could be nothing or it could be worse.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it'll be good today.
Finish on a nice note.
Yeah. So finish the night at Newcastle tonight and head home back to the Marina tomorrow.
The trip home would be about 24.5 nautical miles and take around 5 hours.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We build this ship together, searching for a home.
Stay tuned for our next video as we explore Galiano Island on Canada Day long weekend.